Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Google has released summer internship recruitment notice. So we are going to see about that in this video. We all know what is Google, who is Google. Google doesn't need any introduction actually. So the main point here is the American MNC technology company Google is hiring interns for the role of software engineering in India. They are hiring for two locations in India. One is Bangalore in Karnataka, the other one is Hyderabad in Telangana. And the role is, as I said, it is software engineering intern. And the responsibilities will be varying according to which area you get recruited to. For example, if you get to work in development side, you will have different responsibilities to do. And if you get to do work in service industry, your responsibilities and the role will vary. So that's what we have given here. It will vary by project area. So the last date to apply for this internship is August 10, 2020. And this internship will start from May or June month in 2021. And it will last up to 10 to 12 weeks after that. So the requirements for this internship are anyone currently pursuing a BS, MS or PhD degree in computer science or any related field. And you should also have experience in software development, and you should be able to speak and write English fluently. So these are some basic requirements which you need to fulfill to apply for the internship. Few other qualifications which can actually strengthen your applications are experience in systems, software or algorithms, knowledge of Unix, Linux or Windows environments and APIs. These things can actually add value to your application. Familiarity with TCP, IP and network programming, and few more things like C++, Java, Python. If you're really strong in these areas, it's much better. You have a better opportunity to get selected for the internship. So if you want to know about more details about what you will be doing in this job after selected, so you can read this. We have given here about the job. These things will give you an idea about what you will be doing after getting selected for the internship. So we have seen all the details of this internship completely. Now let's see how to apply for the internship. You can see here, click here to apply. Just click on that. So you need to first make sure that you are signed into your Google account. I haven't signed in. So let me give my details and sign in first. If you have been already logged into Google, you will straight away come to this page. This is the application page, and the first thing you have to do is you have to upload your resume. Click on select file and upload your resume, and then you have to give your contact details like name, address, country, city, and you have to give your mail ID, phone number, and you have to give your higher education details, and then you have to give your work experience, and then write a strong cover letter and proceed with your application, and then submit the application after that. After submitting your application, check your mail. You may have got a confirmation mail or something from Google. You may or may not get that. So just check it. This is the software engineering internship for summer 2021 that Google is hiring. So the last date is August 10, 2020. So you have to apply before that if you want to apply for this internship at Google. So this is a golden opportunity for you guys. Make use of it. I'll be happy if anyone gets selected from after seeing this video and leaves a comment like I got selected. I'll be more happier. All the best guys, do it well. If you want to get more updates over free online courses, course answers and internship, press the subscribe button and the bell icon. For more updates about free online courses, you can also join with us on social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So we have given all our social media link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.